Today we're tackling the Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Value Pack, a household staple for many. This bundle gives you 3 canisters of 75 wipes each, totaling 225 wipes, which should last a while, depending on how much cleaning you do. Clorox claims these wipes clean 3 times better than other leading brands thanks to their triple weave texture. They also highlight the wipe's ability to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including COVID-19, in just 15 seconds. Plus, they remove 99.9% of allergens, which is a big plus for allergy sufferers. One of the biggest selling points is their versatility. You can use them on a wide range of hard, non-porous surfaces, from kitchen counters and bathroom fixtures to finished wood, sealed granite, and even stainless steel. They're also suitable for non-food contact surfaces in offices, classrooms, and car interiors. Clorox emphasizes the no-bleach formula, making them a potentially gentler alternative for certain materials. They also claim effectiveness on fabrics for stain removal, including grass, sweat, food, ink, and makeup stains. This value pack comes in fresh scent and citrus blend, offering a pleasant cleaning experience. While the large quantity is convenient, the packaging can vary, so what you see online might not be exactly what arrives at your door. Also, remember these are disposable and should not be flushed. Over the next few weeks, I'll be putting these wipes to the test in various cleaning scenarios around the house. I'll be checking their effectiveness on different surfaces and stains, and I'll also be paying attention to the durability and the actual scent. Stay tuned for a follow-up video where I'll share my real-world experience and let you know if these wipes live up to the hype. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what your experience with Clorox Disinfecting Wipes has been. What are your favorite uses for them? Are there any surfaces you avoid using them on? Your tips and tricks are always welcome.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.